Good morning, children. Welcome to DAV SVVN online classes. Today's topic, animal fiber. Introduction. Long ago, human beings used leaves, barks of trees and skin of animals to cover their bodies. Then they learned the art of weaving and started making clothes. There are two types of clothes, natural fiber and artificial fiber. Today we will learn about animal fiber, means the thread-like structures we get from animals. Different kinds of animals are there. On their bodies, long hair-like projections are there. They will give us a beautiful fabric, just like sheep, camels, and some polar animals. Their body is covered with fleece-like structures. When we are taking that one, we can make blankets, sweaters and any other woolen items. So let us discuss about in this chapter natural fiber which is obtained by animals. The story of silk. Today we are going to learn about the beautiful, rich, traditional silk clothes are made out of the silkworms. How they will give the silk fabric, let us see right now. Silk moths are just like butterflies. They will lay eggs on leaves. This is our silk moth, female and male. Female is just slightly big in size. It will lay about 500 eggs at the back side of the leaves. When the eggs are hatches, they will produce small larvae. They will lay their eggs in some round colony-like structures. These colonies are arranged at a paper or a white sheet. Then these eggs are converted into larvae. These larvae feed on white mulberry leaves. Vigorously they will feed on these mulberry leaves and they will increase in its sizes. The farmers who are rearing these silkworms, they will feed with mulberry leaves in some cases. They will arrange in rows and they will arrange some leaves on the beds of the floors. They will leave plenty of caterpillars of the silkworm. These caterpillars will feed on the mulberry leaf and they will elongate their body 3 times of its original size. Then they will make a cover sheet on over the body. It is known as cocoon. So these cocoons are arranged in a mats. After few days, these cocoons are taken and it will take to hot water. Otherwise, the moth will metamorphosis and get out of it. So we can't get a over thread. So to get a fine thread, they will treat that cocoons with very hot water. According to that hot stream, inner side moth will take. Then these cocoons were sent to the re-reeling process. They will store for several days. And when the cocoons are ready, they will re-reel them. So it will give a fine thread which is rich in its structure. It is very cost enough. It will take a long time process and they will store these cocoons for some months ago. Then when it is useful, then they will take that and find a fine fabric from that. Cocoons like this one, they are spoiled one, so they can't get us a quality thread. Let us see the life cycle of silk moth. Here we go. Silk moth lays eggs on leaves, then they will turn into caterpillar. Larva. That larvas will feed on the leaves and they will elongate its body. Again, they will elongate its body just like 3 times in its body size. So they are known as caterpillars. These caterpillars turn into pupa stage. They will arrange some cover on their body and they will stay without eating. And this stage is known as pupa stage. Adult moth get metamorphosis at this stage and it will turn into butterfly-like structure immediately. With the shape of caterpillar, it will change into a beautiful butterfly. It is known as silk moth. Adult silk moth again mate with the male silk moth and it will lay eggs. After laying about 500 eggs a time, then the female moth will die. We can get wool and yarn from this silk. These yarns are woven together. Silk is provided as Karimnagar, Adilabad, Warangal, Khammam and coastal regions of East Godavari and Visakhapatnam are most popular for this silk. So they will add some chemicals to that and they will prepare some different kinds of cloths also. They are known as crepe and linen like, and they will look like very smooth and rich in their texture. Dharmavaram is a famous one for the sarees of silk, and Banaras, Narayanpet, Kanchipuram, Kolkata is also famous varieties. Pochampalli is very popular material which we can get at Andhra Pradesh. And so many varieties of traditional silk sarees are available in Telangana and Andhra regions. All of you know what is the special about silk which will give us a rich and traditional look. That's all for today. In our next topic, we will meet with woolen production by sheep and goats. We already know that so many animals are there, fiber giving animals. So in our next class, we will meet with wool making. Right, children? That's all for today.